In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the Rhino-Rack tray and backbone system to a Polaris Ranger tub. Before commencing, refer to the instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied. Step 1 is to assemble the Rhino-Rack tray. With the side extrusions facing down, insert the corner mouldings into the short extrusions first. Insert the front and rear extrusions and secure with the supplied 25mm fasteners and torque tool. Next, position the planks so that each line up under the front and rear extrusions. Secure with the supplied 25mm fasteners and torque tool. Add the cover caps and secure with the supplied 12mm fasteners and torque tool. Ensure that the tabs on the top side of the cover cap is sitting correctly under the lip of the extrusion channels. Next, place the underbar into position and secure with the supplied 25mm fasteners and torque tool. The tool will click when the required torque is achieved. Step 2 is to assemble the backbone system to the Ranger. Firstly, on the underside channels of the tray, insert the channel nuts to the front and rear extrusions. Next, attach the angled brackets to the channel nuts. Ensure the same brackets are matched on either side of the tray, with the holes facing outward. Leave loose for final assembly. Next, attach the tub wall brackets to the outer edge of the tub side frames using the supplied fasteners. On the Ranger, remove the tub fasteners and tie-down brackets from each corner using a Torx 40 driver bit. Once complete, carefully insert the tub side frames so that the tub wall brackets slide into the channel spaces. Reinsert the tub fasteners to the bottom of the frame and secure tightly. Then tighten the tub wall brackets with the torque tool provided with the tray kit. Repeat the process for both sides. Next, attach each backbone to the tub side frames with 16mm fasteners. Use an open-ended 13mm spanner to secure. Ensure each backbone angle is pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. Next, place the tray on the backbone, ensuring each angled bracket matches the backbone angle. Slide each angled bracket into place, evenly on each side, then secure with a torque tool. Next, secure the tray at the top using 12mm fasteners. Now your Rhino-Rack tray and backbone is ready for use.